I hope you guys are well. Eid Mubarak. Our Eid was yesterday, Alhamdulillah, and it was so lovely and peaceful. I hope yours went great as well. Do comment below to let me know how your day went. And those that are not celebrating Eid, I hope still your day was brilliant. So today we are going to be making a recipe that you guys have chosen. So I hope inshallah you like it. So yeah, let's get straight onto it. Now that Ramadan is over, I will be making a lot more other dishes that I was unable to make in the month of Ramadan. So do keep tuned, do subscribe, and yeah, let's go for it. So today we are making Rasmalai. So this is something that so many of you requested. So inshallah, I hope you like it. It is made all from scratch. Before we move on though, please subscribe and press that bell icon. Do comment below as well. And I'm just showing you how soft this Rasmalai is, mashallah. So the first thing I'm going to prepare is what I'm going to strain the Rasmalai in. So my bowl there. Also adding this so that all the water comes out. And if there is anything, then it can go straight in the bowl. And also if you have a cheesecloth, that's fine. But I have a muslin cloth. And I'm just going to leave that there. So let's make the Rasmalai balls. So in a pan, add the litre milk and let it come to a boil. So the milk has now come to a boil and I'm just reducing the heat to low to medium. And now adding the lemon juice and stirring, and as you stir and add the lemon juice, you'll notice the milk curdles. So it literally took a few minutes and it's now ready to drain. Just a close-up view of how it looks. And now draining the milk. So I'm just squeezing out any liquid that's in there and then leaving it aside for 20 minutes until I do the Malai. I'm not going to leave it any longer because there can be a risk that it can dry out. And I'm also disregarding the liquid that's in the bowl. So I'm just adding cold water, and this stage is usually before I squeeze, but because I forgot, I'm doing it now. And the reason why I'm putting cold water is so that any lemon flavour that's in there can reduce. And now I am doing the Malai part. I'm now adding 3 cups of milk and I'm going to let this come to a boil. By the way, all the ingredients are listed below in the description. I'm now adding green cardamom powder and also saffron. If you're not a fan of saffron, do not add that. And I'm also adding condensed milk, but you can add sugar instead. Like I said, the measurements for all this is in the description below. And now I'm adding almond and pistachio. You can add as little or as many as you like, or literally you don't need to add this. And I'm going to cook this now until it's thickened and it's reduced by 1 cup. Okay, so time to make the Malai balls. I've got a bowl and I'm now adding the cottage cheese in there. And now I'm adding cornflour and I'm going to mix this really well until it forms a dough. So at this stage you can also use a spatula instead of your hand. But yeah, just mix well as you would any dough. So once it's formed a dough, we're going to do the next stage. So I'm just going to make equal amounts of balls and I'm just making a patty shape, but you can make any other shape that you like. Now in a pan, add water. And now adding the sugar, and once it comes to a boil, we're going to be adding the rasmalai. Another point to remember is leave the heat on high. Do not put that on low or medium because there could be a risk that they could break. And we're cooking this for about 20 minutes. So in a tin or plate, add a bit of the sugar syrup, and we're going to then add the rasmalai into that. So we're just going to leave this aside for a bit until it's fully cooled down. The malai is also ready, so I'm going to leave this aside to cool down. In a serving dish, add the rasmalai, and I'm just squeezing out any sugar syrup. And now adding the malai. I did leave some aside, so I'm just adding a bit on here. And I'm going to leave this in the fridge now for a few hours or overnight. And finally just garnishing with some nuts. And there we go, yummy rasmalai. Alhamdulillah, it was really tasty. I hope you give it a go. And guys, please do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and until next time, Allah Hafiz.